Hey everybody, this is Bobby Mangiarelli from Mangiarelli Rehab. Today I just want to show you a couple exercises that you can do if you suffer from acute low back pain. And to preferences, this is like back pain that's a sudden onset, so within like a week or two. These are some things that you can do to hopefully give you some relief and just start the process of recovering from an incident of lower back pain. We know lower back pain can be caused by a ton of different things. Maybe you're working in the yard, you're bending too much, maybe you slept funny one night. Back pain can come in all sorts of different ways. So these are just some very generic exercises, pretty low impact on your spine that you could do in the case that you're suffering some lower back pain. Also, we want to encourage patients to move early on. A lot of conventional wisdom says not to move too much, but we really actually encourage you to move while you're going through this acute low back pain cycle. So hopefully these exercises are part of that. Most of these are going to be done laying on your back, so I'm just going to demonstrate some really simple ones to start. First one you're going to do is you're going to lay on your back, and you're going to just put your knees together and just slightly rotate from side to side, just to give a little bit of rotation into your spine, okay? So we're not trying to overextend. We're just trying to give a little bit of range of motion to the spine. The spine, usually when it's acute, is intolerant. So these are a really simple one to do to start to kind of give some mobility to the spine without putting too much stress on it, okay? Next one you're gonna do is you're gonna take a ball or a pillow, we're gonna put in between the knees, okay? And then we're just gonna lightly press into the ball with our thighs, and we're gonna hold for a couple seconds, about a 3 to 5 second hold, and then we're just going to relax, pause, and then repeat that. Okay, this one you will feel in your inner thighs. Okay, shouldn't feel a lot of stress in your lower back. We're just applying some isometric strengthening through like the hip, groin area here. You can also work on pulling your stomach in and holding that as well as a co-contraction. Okay, so you should feel your lower back press down into the table while you squeeze the ball. Okay, and for here we're looking somewhere between maybe two sets of 10 to start with. Okay, what we'll do next is we're going to find something stiff, not like a band, and we're going to put this around the knees. And what we're going to do is the opposite of what we just did. So we're going to push against the straps. We're going to hold 3 to 5 seconds and then relax. We're going to feel this here on the outer hips. Okay, a nice isometric contraction, a nice pause. Notice my hips aren't going super wide, relatively shoulder length here. Okay, same thing, I can squeeze my abdominals and have a co-contraction of the hips and the abdominals. 3 to 5 second hold. Same thing, we would try to do maybe 2 sets of 10. All right, and then from there, what we can try to do is a little bit of a hip lift. So this is called a bridge. We're gonna keep our feet flat. We're gonna kind of pull in the abdominals again, and then we're just gonna slightly lift the hips up off the table, hold, and then come down. I'm squeezing my glutes through this process, so I should be feeling this here. If you're getting some lower back discomfort, you don't have to lift up as high. You can maybe just do a small lift off the table and then come down, okay? Just nice and easy pause, getting a little bit of range of motion through the spine and through the hips, working on some glute contraction here, okay? Last one would be to be on your hands and knees, and this is just a cat-camel stretch. So this is a position where we can kind of stretch the lower back without putting a lot of pressure through it. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of curl the back under, and then we're going to roll the back up. Just nice and easy back and forth. Most of my range of motion is coming through my lower back. I'm not bending my elbows or lifting my head during this process. So I'm kind of tucking my hips in and then kind of flattening out the back just to get a nice easy stretch. Okay? So that's it for today. So if you're suffering from acute low back pain, try a couple of these different exercises. and see if they help out. Obviously, we would recommend seeing a physical therapist if you suffer lower back pain, so come see us at Mangiarelli Rehabilitation, and we'll see ya. Take care.